This is the October Betoyo box. This is my first Betoyo. It comes in this white box with a red ribbon. So next open and see what's inside. Okay. First I see this. Okay, first is this Macross. Haven't seen this anime. And this is a figure inside, I think. So let's open it. It says I got number 1. Or maybe just one figure, I don't know. So let me put this down. Okay, since that I got this figure. I got the one that's in the middle. Her. I guess you could like either of these 3. Also got this Betoyo sticker. Next item I got is One Piece. I haven't seen One Piece though, so I don't really know any other characters' names. Yeah. Okay. Got this one. I think his name is Chopper. Yeah, I think he also comes with a stand. Also got this Evangelion figure. This is Ultimate Action Evangelion DX. Okay. And I guess this, I think this is kind of built. There's like a lot of little tiny pieces. And this kind of like tofu, the plastic. That's this. Okay, and there's 2 more items. I don't really know what that is. So yeah, I just opened this. Good. Oh, this is kind of easy though. Okay. Oh, I think this is Tiger and Bunny. Okay, I got this one. Got Barnaby. Barnaby Books Jr. Says the name over here. Okay, and the last figure. Okay. This one. Okay, this is pretty hard to open. And I got this one. So yeah. These was what I got from Betoyo box.